In front of me is Sony Xperia 10 Mark VI, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Passwords and Accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google under Autofill Service. Select Google Password Manager and just click on a password that you wish to change. Now enter your current login method. Hit Edit button, change wherever you want to, and click on Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!